Starting an import-export company might sound like a daunting task, but it can be an incredibly rewarding venture if you know what steps to take. Today, we're discussing how you can get started in this exciting world of international trade. Now, let's talk about the basics. The very first step is deciding what products you want to import or export. It might be tempting to choose something that you personally love, but it's also crucial to consider market demand. Do some research to see what products are popular or needed in your target regions. Sometimes, the simplest ideas are the most successful. Once you have your product idea, it's time to create a solid business plan. This doesn't have to be some massive document. Just outline your goals, your target market, and your financial plan. Think of it as your roadmap. Having a clear plan will not only help you stay on track, but also attract potential investors if you need them. Next up, you'll need to get familiar with the regulations. International trade comes with its own set of rules and paperwork. You don't have to know everything right from the start, but it's important to understand the basics. Things like tariffs, customs duties, and import-export licenses. Legalregistration.com can help you navigate these waters smoothly. Now, let's talk about logistics. Shipping goods across borders requires a good understanding of the logistics involved. You'll need to choose between air, sea, or land transport, depending on your product and budget. Each method comes with its own pros and cons. Building relationships with reliable shipping companies can make a huge difference in your operations. As your business grows, consider diversifying your product line. You might find new markets for other goods, and expanding your offerings can help you mitigate risks and boost your revenue. Keep an eye on trends and emerging markets that align with your current operations. Another key aspect is understanding the culture and business practices in the countries you're dealing with. Building relationships is an essential part of doing business internationally. So take the time to learn about the cultures, languages, and business etiquettes of your trading partners. This knowledge can set you apart in negotiations and partnerships. Finally, marketing your business is crucial. Whether you're reaching out to local businesses overseas or promoting your goods at home, digital marketing is your friend. Use social media, online ads, and trade shows to get your product in front of the right eyes. Starting an import-export business involves a lot of moving parts, but with the right preparation and support, you can turn your idea into a thriving venture. Remember, legalregistration.com is here to help with all your business formation needs. So, head over to legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 when you're ready to start your journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on starting and running a successful business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.